Okay, this is the exterior timeout concept. Okay, so we have a timer and a relay. Okay, where I'm doing one set for each pump. Okay, so what I did was I tied in the trigger to the timer here with the Opto 22 where it's triggered by the controls. So it would trigger the countdown of the timer. All right. And then what I did was the power from the controls to the pump, we interrupted that here and it goes through the relay, which is interrupted by the timer. And so what you'll see in demonstration in a second is that I have these timers just set at 20 seconds. So what you'll see is that it'll time out and stop the dispensing outside of the the pulses and the timeout feature in the controls. So the idea is if the pulses and timeout feature fail in the controls, then there's an exterior interruption that if this timeout is set beyond that, then it'll shut that off as a secondary safety feature outside of the controls. Okay, but for the sake of demonstration and testing, I have this time set at 20 seconds, so it's before the pulses and the timeout feature in the controls, just to show that it will interrupt and stop the dispensing in spite of what's going on here. Okay, so let me just get there. So test of end. So you can see you got your pulses, you got your time countdown. But here you have the time countdown that's interrupting. And in 10 seconds, it's going to interrupt and stop the dispensing. So our hope is that you would take this concept, I'm going to mail this to you, and you can simplify it, make it better, and find a way to integrate an exterior timeout feature in addition to our existing safety feature